Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you how to download torrent links as direct links, and it's my first video recording with my voice. I hope you guys like my video, and uh, I chose this website to find a film torrent file, and I found this file, and I'm going to download this as a directly. So I'm going to introduce you a new website. Actually, it's not a new one, it's a very old one, but I think you guys see it at the first time, seedr.com, and you can go to the website through a link in my description down below. And I'm not going to teach you how to make a new account, and it's a simple thing. I know you can do it yourself, and I have uh, done it before, and I will explain something about this website now. Uh, at the first time, you can earn 2 GB of free space from them, and I have 4 GB because I work with their referral program, and I earn for extra 2 GB. And okay, let's go to the video, and I'm going to copy the magnet download link and right click the magnet download button and copy link address, and come to the your workspace and just paste the link here. And just press the plus mark, and you can see he is collecting seeds, and see the file is being downloaded to their host. Okay, now you can download the film as a direct link by simply clicking this icon, download icon. See here. I think you guys enjoyed my video, and I ask you to subscribe if you learned something like my video. Comment down below what you want to learn in the future, and thank you.